If you're building an app or SaaS product, every email you send matters, whether it's a password reset, an invoice, or a welcome message. The choice of your transactional email API can affect deliverability, reliability, and developer experience. Two big players are SendGrid and Mailgun, and they target slightly different needs. Let's walk through what each does well, where you'll find trade-offs, and which one might be the better fit for your stack. First, let's talk about SendGrid. SendGrid is a mature, widely adopted platform that handles both transactional emails and marketing campaigns. It boasts a large infrastructure, high throughput, and solid features like drag-and-drop templates, sub-user management, and built-in tools for email validation and deliverability. Because of its breadth, it's a good choice if you plan to send both system emails and campaign emails from one place. User interface is polished, and there are plenty of integrations and onboarding resources. That means less setup friction if your team includes non-developers. On the flip side, when you're purely focused on transactional emails, you might find SendGrid's pricing higher than necessary, and its interface might include features you don't need. Now let's look at Mailgun. Mailgun takes a more developer-centric approach. It focuses on high-performance, reliable transactional email delivery. It offers granular control over APIs, detailed event logs, webhooks, and tools that help you maintain a strong sending reputation. If your product depends on emails being highly reliable, think account alerts, billing notifications, password resets. Mailgun gives you the technical depth to optimize. It also tends to offer better inbox placement rates in independent tests. The trade-off is that Mailgun's free and early tiers may have fewer marketing-friendly features, like templates and campaign builders, and setup may require more developer work. In short, choose Mailgun if you need depth, precision, and high reliability for your app's transactional emails, and you are comfortable doing some setup. Choose SendGrid if you want breadth, simplicity, and a platform that handles both transactional emails and marketing campaigns in one place. Whatever you pick, focus on clean setup, strong authentication, SPF, DKIM, DMARC, low bounce rates, list hygiene, and treat your transactional email service as an integral part of your product experience, not just an afterthought. The right API will save you time, headaches, and ensure your messages reach inboxes when it matters.